What's up, everybody? I hope everyone's enjoying another new day so far. Because as you can tell, it's gonna be another beautiful day. So let's take it on. I had this kitty cat in my room this morning. He loves that. He's a little boy. Good old boy. Got purring out of him too. Good boy. He was relaxing under my bed. Enjoyed a little more attention from me. Watching a Preston video. This particular one has something hilarious in it. Yeah. Yeah, I think you guys should see this. My dad found a poison ring that he can sell. Okay. Gotta give him props there. Not bad. No doubt those things are worth some money. Even though they were used for evil purposes back in the day, they're still cool.
Nick's watching. Good morning. It is day 29 of visiting all 50 states in 50 days. Last night we stayed in the scariest house in America. That's literally what that Airbnb listing says. It's pretty spooky in some ways, but it's also just really nice. We are currently in the smallest U.S. state, Rhode Island. But today we head to a new state and a very cool new Airbnb. I'm so excited.
Ooh, a lighthouse. Okay. Welcome to day 29, everybody.
We did laundry and we both have fresh clothes. Haley, how did you hold up the scariest house in America?
I don't know what's going on, guys, but I've been hearing these weird booms. I like to figure out. Oh boy. I think I see what it is. That looks terrifying. We've got a scary looking storm coming in. Oh, this is gonna be crazy. Yeah, we just lost power, everyone. I'm having to put my laptop into sleep mode. I now have to shut this off.
Well, guess the power's out.
Yep.
Yep.
So if we're gonna do anything, we're gonna have to go out. If we want to do anything, we're gonna have to go out somewhere. Never mind, it just came back on. What the hell?
God's toying with you and I'm loving it.
No, Robbie. It's a stupid storm.
God's like,
Robbie, stop being an idiot. Robbie, just shut up. Stop being an idiot.
so about the time you said something. Yeah, I'm not just
It's pouring out here.
Yeah, Manny, I think all this stuff in my truck is just lost. I'm gonna just send him the Dido sign for $250 cash and just tell him don't worry about it. I think that's what I'm gonna do.
It is
But that's
pouring.
A Falcon, ain't it? Jimmy, isn't that the Falcon that's right near here?
Yeah, honestly, there is no reason the power should keep going out the way it has been. It's gone out 3 or 4 times already. 2 of which, it hasn't really been raining all that hard. Minimal wind. So there's no reason for that to happen. What the heck? Oh, probably just a twig on the bottom of the... Yeah. I'm probably gonna have to use my power block to charge my phone tonight, just so I don't have to worry about that going to crap. Ooh, got some good ones. Let's see. See if I can see. Oh no. Wind. That's probably what's causing it. Oh crap. Oh crap. Whoop. Oh. That was awfully quick. Okay, guys, I'm getting tired, so I'm gonna go ahead and just let you guys go here. Go ahead and smash that like button if you enjoyed my video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Go ahead and check out links to my other channels. Go ahead and check out links to my social media. Go ahead and check out my referral links, all in the bio. Hope you enjoyed your day, and I'll see you next video. Peace.